to my very first vlog, and I'm excited, little bit nervous, to show you my life here in Amsterdam. As a simple Amori, I'll be taking you to my journey every day, my daily lifestyle, and what things that I need to do every day. So I hope you will learn more to my YouTube channel for the simplest, busiest of time that I always be happy to do. So guys, I will show you what I did this morning, which is nag-run ako for just a little training for upcoming Damlo here in Amsterdam. But after this clip, makikita nyo yun, I will show you how I train every Saturday, just Saturday, because that's the only time that I have right now. So stay tuned to my channel, and let me show you how my day here in Amsterdam works for me. After running, kailangan kong magluto. Natuloy akong tumakbo. So, samahan niyo ako. Traffic. Bobby! Okay.
What were you saying?
Hi everyone. So Ayan, 15 minutes for hard-boiled egg. Hey Siri. So, ngayon, sa pinagpakulaan ko nitong shrimp, na to, doon ko muna ibababad yung cornstarch stick or yung palabok na pansit. I think 1 kilo to pag naluto. Sabi 8 to 10 minutes. Soak muna yung noodles for 10 minutes and then saka natin pakuluan. siya dito. Diyan lang kayo. So, I need to soak this for 10 minutes. I'm not expert, pero hinatay kong magluto ng Filipino food. So, ayan na siya. So, soak ko siya for 10 minutes. Para, ayan. Kaya natin siya dyan. And then, ito pa rin yung egg na binaboil. And then, siguro gagawa muna ako ng sauce. Kasi mabilis na yan after. Ayan. So, para makita nyo, ganyan na lang. Sorry, nag-a-adjust pa ako sa camera. These two, I have water. A little bit warm water. Not too warm, but maligam-gam. Milk butter. Ang tawagin. So, bumamasitas. Kailangan ko ito. Madali lang abutin yung mga bagay-bagay kasi maliit lang yung kusina. The kitchen is too small. So, I can do it like this. Then, kapag niluluto na siya, ito para hindi mag-lumps. Kailangan natin ito. Or, fork. Minsan ginagamit ko fork. Para walang lumps yung powder. So, ayun. Halo-halo lang para hindi siya mamuo. Tapos, gumagamit din ako ng annatto powder. Kasi nga, yung kulay niya, minsan ayoko pa. So, gawa tayo ng oil. So, ito yung annatto powder. Nilalagay ko siya dito. Kasi nga, ang kalat niya, kapag hindi mo siya nilagay sa lalagyanan na ganito, super kalat niya. Dahil super fine yung powder ng annatto powder. So, ang gagawin ko lang is olive oil. Ang ilalagay ko sa annatto powder. Well, kanya-kanya naman yan. So, kailangan nating gawin yung sa atin kasi hindi rin ako expert dito. So, ganyan siya. Once na diba? Yan. Labo kasi yung mata ko eh. Sorry. So, ayan lang siya. And then, hintayin muna nating mag-soak yung noodles. Mamaya, gigisa ko yung bawang or yung garlic, onion, which is yellow onion yung ginamit ko because it's sweet. I like sweet. And hindi siya masyadong basa. I mean, if white onion, it's really watery. If it is kale or yellow onion, it's perfectly not watery and not too dry. Yun yung wala lang. So, I'll share. But ngayon, gagawa tayo ng tinapay. Here. Natin tinapay. Para masarap yung palabok natin. Hintayin ko maluto yung palabok kasi ito ay madaling uminit. Hintayin lang natin kumulo yung palabok. siya. Ito siya. Favorite ko to na iniinit. Minsan sa spaghetti, minsan sa palabok, minsan sa pansit, or minsan snacks ko lang siya, or lunch. Ayan. Lalagyan na lang natin siya sa oven mamaya. Ayan, buo ko ng sauce ng palabok. I'm using olive oil, and then tsaka natin siya lalagyan ng powder. So, tansya lang. I don't know what's perfect, but tansya lang tayo. Tingnan natin siyang uminit. So, just wait. Ngayon, sisimulan ko sa sibuyas. Half lang yung ginamit ko na sibuyas kasi ayoko masyadong masibuyas. Hindi pa siya mainit actually. Pero pwede na yan. Oil. Para magkakulay siya. Or like may kulay. So ayan. Mainit na siya. Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Color orange. Parang palabok siya talaga. And then, after 2 to 3 minutes na kumukulo yung mantika sa onion, lalagay ko na yung bawang. Let's do that. Guys, look, naging thicken na. Look, naging thicken na yung kanyang sauce. So, lagyan pa natin ng tubig kasi ayoko nang masyadong thick yung sauce niya. So, 2 sachet lang ng palabok mix yung ginawa ko. Hey Siri, set the timer for 5 minutes. So, kumukulo na rin po ang ating noodles. He's boiling. So, overall, 8 to 10 minutes ko siyang pinakukuluan. Sorry nag-a-adjust pa ako sa pagkuha ng mga clips ng videos. Not yet perfect. So, ayan na. Nagiging perfect na siya. Hi everyone! So, pakikilala ko muna sa inyo si Bob. This is my partner for more than a decade. And usually, makikita nyo siya sa vlog, but most of the time, he's behind the camera. Or lalo kapag nasa outside kami, he's the cameraman. And thankful ako kasi he's always support me sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. So, he's so sweet sometimes. But not most of the time. So, pakikita ko sa inyo yung ginawa kong let's eat!
Oh, wow. Thank you. Ladies first.
May bago naman. So, gano'n talaga kami, no? So, kailangan niya to kasi kung nag-run din siya kanina. How many kilometers you run today?
8 kilometers.
8 kilometers.
Okay, done.
So, done.
Yeah.
Do you have to yolk?
Yeah, I have.
I have to yolk. That's it!
Kain po tayo.
Thank you. So, siya matikman. Haul tayo. I-haul ko yung nabili ko sa H&M kasi para malaban na siya. Galing to sa H&M. Pero kasi, di ba pupunta nga kami Portugal, pero punta muna kami Brussels. Well, thank you guys for welcoming me on your internet life. So, sana stay tuned every time. Sana din maging updated kayo sa aking YouTube channel. So, simulan na natin ito. So, dalawa to. First of all, tanggalin mo natin siya sa paper bag. Ngayon muna natin to. This is pajama. This is a short. Pag binili niyo siya short and turn na siya. And this top. Actually, this is linen blend. Linen blend means, I don't know, it's size small. And kung tatanungin niyo yung price, it's 34.99 euros. It means 35 euro. Wait. And then, this is a short kasi wala akong ganong short na pambahay. Kasi hindi naman kami gano'n dito na pambahay actually. Most of the time na suot namin dito, kung hindi pang tulog, magpapalit na kami ng pang alis. Kasi most of the time lumalabas kami ng bahay. Dahil may bibilin, or may errands, or may work, or sports. So, this is a short. I don't know what is her color. But, yeah, I think it's brown. I got medium size. Mahilig ako sa malalaking short. And this is 9 euros and 99 cents. It's 10 euro. And then, I got shirt also. I prepare medium kasi ayoko ng fit na fit sa body ko. And also 10 euro. Then this is a crop top. I did crop top na medium, I think, kasi ayoko din makapit na kapit sa akin. Medyo tumaba ako eh. And this is just 10 euro. Hilig ko sa 10, no? Hindi ako gano'n bumibili ng mahal talaga kasi lagi akong nagtatapon ng damit kapag ayoko or hindi ko na size. Then, this is a shirt. Wala din akong ganong shirt. So, usually small lang ako but most of the time kinukuha ko medium. This is also 10 euro. And then, this is a shirt also. Actually, pag teternuhin ko siya, pag matutulog, parang gagawin ko siyang small lang ako. Pero lagi kong kinukuha medium. €6, $5.99. Pa-partner ko siya kasi wala akong ganong pantulog. Nag-vlog na ako. This is training skirt from H&M also. Not too expensive, like €20. Medium also. Okay. Ipa-partner ko siya dito actually. With my stripe crop top. So may black. Easy. Try on natin to mamaya. This is very nice. They call it I don't know, fluffy or balloon top. Very comfortable, very fashionable, and really cheap. That's the important for me. Like, it's small and €9.99. Then, meron pa tayo another bag. Well, this is all for summer. Kasi nagtapon na naman ako ng pang summer ko. Also, this is new from H&M also. I think this is just €20 or 19.99 euros. But this is really nice. Very nice top. I really like it. So, this is a bra or for a two-piece because gusto ko mag-beach. And also medium, $19.99. Feeling ko medium ako but I'm just small. So this is a tanga from two-piece again. And it's just cost me €18, $17.99. Doesn't cost any money. And this is a very nice and lazy tube swimwear. Pwede mo din siyang lagyan ng strap actually. Here. Pag binili mo siya, may kasama siyang strap. And it's just €5. How could you imagine that? I'm happy with that because ayoko naman talaga ng mahal. No. No for me. Because I used to throw away things. I don't collect. I throw. So this is a white short regular waist. It says size 36 Europe. Yeah, that's just €19.99, €20. This is a very nice also. This is from kids actually. This Brooke pants is from kids. In euro, it's 170 ang size. 14 years old in UK. And it's just €20. Pero kapag kung adult yung bibilin ko, alam mo, mahal to. So, mamaya i-try on natin to. Samahan niyo ako mag-try on. gusto kong mag-dessert after my palabok meal. Then, natatanggal ako ngayon ng mga hinol natin. Para maligpit ko na siya, malaban ko na siya. Wala na akong problema mamaya. And then mamaya, magbe-bedding ako for the last activity for today. Dahil mahirap ang buhay abroad. Well, dito na pala kami. Dito na pala kami matitira forever. Bibisi-bisita na lang kami sa Philippines. Yun yung balak namin. Kasi, yun nga, dito na namin binabalak mag-family or kung hindi man family, kami dalawa ni Bob na dito na kami mag-i-stay. Diba? Kasi, yun nga, mahirap sa Pinas. Hindi ko naman sinabing lahat mahirap sa Pinas, but because mahirapan na kaming mag-adjust dahil yung life dito sa Netherlands is really sustainable and also organized. Lahat nako-organize sa'yo. Payments, housing, yun nga lang, talagang mag-work ka or mag-business ka para magkaroon kayo ng magandang buhay. Well, we have comfortable life. We are not rich, but we have totally comfortable life. As I can say. Ayun, matatapos na ako. Gusto ko ng cheesecake. As I promised, dun sa sinasabi ko sa inyo yung love letter sa Amsterdam, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung favorite cheesecake namin dalawa ni Bob dito sa Amsterdam. Well, kung pupunta kayo dito, you must try that. Kaso, siya from 12 to 6 lang lagi ng hapon nag-open. At hindi ko din alam kung pwede ako mag-vlog doon. Pero kapag naka-order kami, pwede ko sa inyo ipakita. Siya, Basque cheesecake, yung pinaka-favorite namin. Well, most of the time na kumakain ako sa kanya, umorder kami nung isang small bowl. Pero kasi nagda-diet nga kami ni Bob. Yung diet namin is to lessen na kumain kami ng bawal or sugar. Kaso nga lang, syempre, tao lang kami. Kaya din nag-run kami para ma-burn din yun every time nakakain kami. So, yeah. Mamaya, dali namin kayo dun. Siguro in 5 minutes. Mag-ready lang din siya. Mag-ready lang ako. Kailangan ko ng sunscreen. Kasi, medyo maaraw siya. Actually, kanina nung sinabi ko sa inyo, wala siya talagang araw. Hindi siya ganun ka sunny. But now, nung bandang 4 o'clock, naging sunny siya. Actually, it's 4 o'clock. Kaka-sunny day lang yun. Dahil ngayon ay May, medyo mahaba-haba yung sunny day. Actually, ngayon ay, yung baba ng araw. Ngayon, bababa yung araw around 9:33 na. So, it's been a long day again. Alam nyo, minsan, pag ganitong panahon, pag gusto naming matulog ng 9 o'clock, may araw pa. Pag gising namin ng 5 o'clock, may araw pa rin. Kasi minsan, 4 o'clock, 4:30, may araw na. Dahil, alam mo yun, minsan, talagang gusto maligo. Gusto mong gumising ng maaga. To be productive, which is, yun yung lagi namin tinatry na lifestyle, maging productive. Alam mo yun, kasi nga nandito kami, and then, yung opportunity namin na nandito kami sa city, madaming mapupuntahan, madaming makikita, madaming kakainan. So, yung opportunity na yun, medyo ginagrab namin ni Bobby. But not most of the time. Kasi syempre, kailangan din naman namin mag-budget. Dahil, malaki-laki din naman yung bayarin kapag dito ka nakatira sa city. So, ayun. Later ulit, tatapusin ko lang to, then babalikan ko kayo papuntang Cheesy Cheesecake. Hi everyone! Punta tayo dun sa cheesecake na sinasabi ko. Malapit lang yun sa amin. Oh, this is the street. Medyo madaming tao today because it's a sunny day. Told you kanina, minsan lang ang araw dito. Kaya lahat ng tao nasa labas. So, lalakad lang kami. Then, makikita ko sa inyo yung bridge. Maraming tourist ngayon, actually. Kaya, nahiya man ako mag-film. Nag-film ako. But yeah, here. Look at this one. Here. Here. Ito yung background ko. It's a beautiful day. That. Okay na, Bobby. Yeah, as I promised guys, nandito ako sa cheesecake, cheesy cheesecake, favorite namin ni Bob, and suki kami dito. I have the New York cheesecake. Bob has the Basque New York cheesecake, isn't it? Is it the Basque?
The bus.
And it's really good. So, ito lang buhay namin dito. Most of the time, nasa labas kapag summer or maaraw pa. That's really good. Really good. Deserve ko to kasi kumain ako kanina. Tuwakbo ako kanina. Ayun, sabi ko nga sa inyo, suki kami dito. Kapag may nare-regaluhan kami, siguro, umu-order kami ni Bob ng 5. How much is that? Small round cheesecake. So, nagugustuhan naman nila. Kasi talaga siyang masarap. So, yung may-ari na ito, taga-Greece. So, kung nandito kayo sa Amsterdam, find the cheesy cheesecake. Really, the owner was nice. She's very friendly. He's very friendly. She's very friendly. So, enjoy ko muna yung cheesecake ko. Really nice. I miss it. When was the last time we ate cheesecake? 2 months ago. Yeah. So, hinintay ko muna mag-vlog ako para mapakita ko ulit sa inyo to. Kasi di ako pwedeng kumain ito dahil mataas yung calories nila. Mahirap siya i-burn. So, you're good. Kung dito ka sa Amsterdam, you must try cheesy cheesecake. Highly, highly recommended. Diba? Napakasimple lang ng buhay dito. Kain ka lang sa labas, literally sa labas. And then, masaya na. Guys, look at my view today. My meditating place. This is the front of Anna Frank house. So, pauwi na tayo. Malapit lang to, like 2 minutes walk from our home. So guys, I hope you enjoy my vlog today. And I wanna say, see you on my next vlog. Medyo chilly yung weather, so kaya ganito ako. I hope you like my vlog for today's video. And I hope to see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you have any suggestion, just makita